Hi lovely ladies, and welcome back to a bit of a different video on my channel today. So you may realize that we're actually in Greece, and I wanted to give you a really joyous Greek welcome. Well, welcome to Greece, I should say. It is definitely welcome to Greece with me, because you know I love to take you to all the places. Oops. Woo! They have these fantastic ferries. But what I wanted to talk to you about is actually it's not quite the same as normal, because last night something happened and I wanted to explain to you about it. So what happened was, my husband and I went out for a really beautiful meal last night to a lovely restaurant, beach restaurant it was, right on the beach, beautiful sandy beach, and we had seafood. It was so romantic, and you might see this dress, the dress that I wore last night, which was just amazing. Really simple, very budget, but more of that later. So anyway, that was lovely. We went back to where we're staying, and then in the middle of the night, well, about 5:30, 6 o'clock, I was woken up by this burning sensation on my back, and I wonder what that was. I felt it, and it was all sort of knobbly, almost like blisters it felt. So put the lights on, had a little look, with, you know, how you do, try to see your back. Anyway, didn't know what it was. Definitely a big red rash. Long and short was, I had a consultation with the doctor this morning, early, and long and short, I've got shingles. So that means that I've got loads of tablets. I've got antivirals. I know a lot of people get shingles, especially when they get a little bit older, and he was saying that it comes with stress and pressure, and I have been working like that lately, also to do lots of videos for you, and also to actually plan and prepare the videos to come out to Greece. So, and getting all the clothes ordered and just everything. It's lots and lots of work. And my husband has as well, so he's done loads of editing. Anyway, so I have felt quite pressured, quite stressed. So that's why I probably got it. So as I said, I know that a lot of ladies get shingles, so you know, my heart goes out to you if you've got shingles, because basically I don't know how much of this Greek holiday I'm going to be able to share with you. I've got loads of things to share with you. I've got loads of storylines, and I've got loads of clothes that I brought, but I don't know how I'm going to feel when the pain starts to really kick in, because I've got tablets for the pain management. So anyway, I just wanted to say I love you so much. By the way, this top is from Goelia. It's absolutely to die for, just lovely by the sea, and I've got so many more things to show you ladies, and I really hope I'm going to be able to do so. So we'll wait and see, and lots of love, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please do comment below actually on if you've had shingles, or if you know somebody that's had shingles, what you've done, how you've made it, how you got better, what treatment, what's worked and what hasn't worked, and we can have a nice little medical conversation. Lots of love. Bye bye.